Next we move on to the cold temperate region, above the warm temperate region, that is between 45 degree and 66 degree north and south latitude. Here you can find the influence of both westerlies and cyclones. As in other temperate regions, 4 distinct seasons are common. Here also, like Mediterranean and China type. This is British type. You have to imagine the UK and also New Zealand and Argentina, Australia, etc. And also increase in latitude means temperature also decreases. Here you find deciduous type of natural vegetation, hardwood. And we are going to discuss about some special features. One is market gardening or truck farming. Here, this is gardening. Basically, it is an intensive process of cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flowers to cater to the urban population, that is cities population, using truck. Because they are perishable, they have to transport it as soon as possible. And then they practice mixed farming, both the cattle rearing and food crops. Food cropping in food crops, they mainly grow cereals like wheat, barley, and then leguminous crops like clover, beans, and then root crops like turnips and beet sugar. Leguminous crops increase the soil fertility because you can mulch it in the soil. These cereals, leguminous, and root crops cultivation help in crop rotation. This will improve the soil fertility. And then the chocolate making is very famous in this region because of this cattle rail. And also this Argentina and Australia are famous for meat production. And also meat production is greater than milk production. We must know this. And also here potato is the staple food because of this cool temperate region. This will be used to supplement the wheat and or bread. Here also we find exclusively grown here, mainly in Northwest Europe and then US. Here in New Zealand, they export the mutton of sheep very greatly. And then we move on to the next cold temperate region, that is eastern margin region, that is also called laurentian type of climate. This is found in Japan or northeast US, that is New York. Here we find the coniferous and deciduous type of natural vegetation. And then there are some special features which are found here. That is, agriculture is very less popular because of lack of presence of pastures and lowland. And also livestock or cattle is not popularly reared in this region. And also lumbering, fishing, pearl farming is very popular. In fishing, there are 2 types of fish. One is pelagic and another one is demersal. One lives near the surface, one live near bottom of shallow seas. They feed on plankton. They are small organisms. This pearl, we get it from pearl oysters found in sea. And then lumbering, this is to get fuel, food, then the paper. And next we move on to the Siberian type of climate, that is continental climate. They are found in regions like Russia and Canada. Mainly this region has taiga, natural vegetation. We know the features of taiga vegetation, discussed before. And here we find the extension of what we see in eastern margin, that is lumbering along with trapping, because fur-bearing animals are common here. And then the last climatic region, that is Arctic or polar climate region, where we find a tundra type of natural vegetation, where we don't find soil because of the snow covered region, also glacier covered. There we find the permafrost. They are frozen for more than 2 years under are equal to 0 degrees Celsius. We commonly see mosses, lichens here. No trees. And then there are some special features present in this region. One is you can commonly find frost and blizzard. And then the humans, mostly they are nomadic because of the extreme weather conditions. The tribes are Eskimos. They build up igloos to prevent themselves from extreme winter. They hunt on caribou, that is reindeer, for food. They are found in Greenland, Canada and Alaska. You can imagine we go from left to right. And then the Lapps and Somites, they are present in Finland and Siberia part of USSR. And then another group of tribes, Koryaks, Chukuchu, and then Yakuts. They are found in the Northeast Asia. That is the above are attached to the Korea and Mongolian region. And then we find different types of minerals here. Mainly they are found in Alaska, part of US. That is gold, petrol, coal, copper, iron, nickel. They are found in Canada or USSR region. Thank you.